Today I will show you how to create a map line animation in Filmora 15. So let's get right into it. Go to the drawing tools and select the pen tool. Click on the playback window to set the starting point and the end point. To let go of the line, press escape. If you want to curve the line, hold Alt on the keyboard and drag one of the points until you get the look you want. Press escape again to let go, then select the line on the timeline. Scroll down to stroke. Let's change the color to red and increase the weight of the line. About 4 will be enough. Next, change the line style from solid to dashed and set the cap to curved. To animate the line, go down to trim path, make sure you are at the start of the timeline, add a keyframe on end and set it to 0. Move a couple of seconds forward and increase it to 100. You should now see the line drawing itself. Finally, if you want to attach a plane to the line, go down to Path Follow, select the plane and click on Link. Keep the project settings and adjust the size of the plane to your liking. When that is done, press OK, go back to the start and this is the final result. For more tips and tricks, make sure to watch this other video.